Hello, special one. Do you know there is a lot of spiritual benefit getting more closer to nature? Even the ancient spiritual gurus is aware of this. That is why they always connect to nature. We are all made from the same five elements that form all of nature: air, fire, water, and earth. And there is a lot of spiritual benefit that is undeniable when you get closer to nature. And you can get instant healing being closer to nature. Like if you're suffering from chronic diseases, if you want to relieve stress, if you are passing through depression, getting more closer to nature, there is a lot of spiritual benefit that you are exposed to, that you benefit spiritually, like light, sight, beautiful sounds of the bird, sounds of the tree, beautiful smells from the tree, flowers. It tastes like you never experienced before. And another spiritual benefit, the energy flowing within you is not different from the one flowing through the animals, the plant, the trees. When you interact with nature, always there is a force that always enrich and sustain your spirit. Nature is so beautiful for special people. If you're looking for peace, connect to nature. If you're looking to recover your identity, your true self, get too deep to nature, like going nature walk, living around nature. It will always connect you to your true identity.